Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a breather for my engine. This one goes in the sump. First of all, I'm going to have to turn some aluminium using my 1890s lathe, an ex-munitions lathe from World War I battleship, I understand. Once turned it down to a 40mm chunk, I then machined a hole in the top that would take a standard pipe fitting. Then it was over to a friend of mine for TIG welding. This guy's awesome. His name is Dan Yap, and the company's called Yap Fab, and he's a true artist at doing this stuff.
Huh? Oh yeah.
Fancy.
Dan's TIG welding is just awesome. One day I'm going to treat myself to a TIG and see if I can get anywhere near that sort of quality.
Yoski.
Two step on.
There you go.
There we are, all welded up with some silicon tube in the top and now fitted into my engine so I can take the fumes off from the block into a catch tank. Thanks for joining us, and I'll see you again soon.